Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be showing you the 3 scents that I got sent to me from the LUXSB subscription service. This is a perfume subscription. I've talked about it on my channel before. About a little over a year ago, they sent it to me to review, and here we are again, full circle, working with them again, and they sent it over for me to tell you guys about. And I do have to say that I really like this subscription service. It's really great, and yeah, I can't wait to get into this. So if you are into these types of videos for me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already viewing this video right now, if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I do want to mention really quick that I do have a Jeffree star giveaway going on right now. If you guys are interested in that, you can definitely go hit the video link down below and go enter my giveaway. And let's go ahead and now get started in the video. Okay, so before I show you what scents I have, I just want to really quick mention what LUXSB is. It's a $15 monthly designer and niche perfume subscription for men and women. A monthly fragrance supply of your choice. We offer 700 plus fragrances from designer to exclusive worldwide brands. Month to month, free shipping, cancel anytime. We are one of the largest sizes available in a perfume subscription service. Don't know what fragrance to choose? You can take our fragrance recommendation quiz or reach out to customer service for a fragrance specialist to assist with recommendations. Now, this isn't like a normal subscription service. They're not going to just send these perfumes to you randomly or anything like that. You do get to choose every month what perfume you will be receiving. So if you guys were like scared you would get like a scent you don't like or whatever, you are the one that chooses these scents unless you pick for someone to choose it for you, a perfume specialist, a fragrance specialist. But anyways, I'm going to show you what they did pick out for me. I gave them some recommendations on what I like, and then they picked off of that. So let's see what they sent me. Okay, so we have this little baggie here that you can actually put your little scent vials in and keep it in your purse if you would like. And then here are the 3 scents that they sent me. Now, some of these I cannot pronounce, so I'm going to just put on the screen for you guys. So the first one they sent was Moscow Mule by Juliet Has a Gun, which we've seen that brand in Ipsy. Vanilla Extreme by Comptoir Sud Pacifique. See, I can't pronounce these. And then Flamenco Neroli by and that's the perfume that's a niche perfume inspired to listen to music and smell a scent. So they have lots of brands. They have like Prada, they have Gucci, they have Juicy Couture, they have Coach, they have all kinds. They have so many popular brands and then niche brands. So this first one here is the Comptoir Sud, the Vanilla Extreme. That's what this one is. I'm actually just going to spray it over here and like get the scent. Hold on. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like so good. I don't even know how to explain it. It smells like a vanilla candle. So this is how it works. This is what it looks like. And then you do this. Well, hold on. Let me just let it like, yeah, okay. So you twist it and then bam, you can't remember anything because, you know, Men in Black. That wasn't a funny joke. So you just take the vial out. That's it. You just put it in and then you twist it. Pretty simple. Put it in, twist it. Okay, so I think if I remember correctly, you get one of these little cases for it every 3 months unless you're like the premium member, which is $20 a month instead of $15, and you get another one of these, and I think you get like 2 cents. We'll have to get into the details in a minute, but that's the first one that I have here, and I still have these scents in my house. I don't remember where I have them, but I know I have one of these, the salt and caramel one, still next to my bed from a year ago. It's like almost out, and the other 2 are just somewhere scattered around my house that I will every now and then spray like on a pillow so I can smell it because they smell so good. This next one here is the other vial that I have. It doesn't want to focus, so what scent is this? This is the Moscow Mule. I'll spray it on this piece of paper. Oh, it says only $20 each. The add-ons are now available. Choose any fragrance during the month. Includes the LUXSB case and free shipping. It ships 2 to 5 business days after order placed. Option available in product description. And if you discovered a favorite scent, large sizes are available to purchase with a membership perk. So that's what that says on this card. Ooh. Ooh, this is a lovely scent. Ooh, yeah, that smells really, really good. Okay, we love that scent. We love it, we love it, we love it. It smells more mature. Here I am over here trying to pretend like I'm like a freaking enthusiast with perfume. Like I know what I'm talking about, but that one smells really mature for sure. And then here's the last one, which I forget what the scent is, but it comes in this purple case. This is the Piano Santal, that really long name. I'm gonna spray it in this box and get the whiff. Oh my god. This one smells like something my grandmother had, and it's strange because now I'm thinking about what that was that my grandmother was using. But this smells just like that. That is so weird. It's bringing back like weird childhood memories, but I don't know where I know the scent from specifically other than my grandmother. That's strange. That's so weird. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about information about this. Wow, that's so weird. Okay, I'm gonna be thinking about that. Like, what was it that I smelled? I think it was like maybe a bar of soap or something, like a decorative soap that she always kept near her sink maybe. Anyways, so let's talk about how this works. So step 1, you create an account at the LUXSB.com/join. You find your fragrance, then click Get Started from the product page. Step 2, you choose your plan. We offer monthly plans starting at $15 a month and annual plans, and also other plans that include premium fragrances at no charge. Step 3, build your calendar. You will be able to add to your fragrance calendar. This will allow you more control on what fragrances you get each month. Step 4, receive yours monthly. Your product will ship in 5 to 7 days each month on the day you signed up. You can also take our fragrance survey to view our recommendations tailored for you. So you do get, if you have the basic subscription, a new one of these quarterly for each season. And if you are premium, which is the $20 a month, you get a new case each month. So quarterly, a new case, premium every month. You can choose from hundreds of 100% authentic designer and niche fragrances. It's month to month, free shipping, cancel anytime, no contracts. Starting at $15 a month or with promo code, you can only pay $9.75 for your first order, which I do have a promo code. It's Connor Kristen. So you can get your first box with free shipping at $9.75. That's 35% off of the full price. So yeah, premium plan option is $20 a month, access to exclusive scents. Each month receive a new case, and then the regular plan is $15 a month and you get the new case quarterly. So yeah, that is everything that I think I need to mention. I'm actually so excited about these scents. They smell so freaking good. The last time I got them, I got the niche, which was in Salt and Caramel. I forget the brand, but it was so good. Like that's the one I keep in my room and I'll spray every now and then because I love it. And then I got a Coach one, and I did get I think it was Viva La Juicy from Juicy Couture. So good, so yummy, and I can't wait to have these. So yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will have all the information down below for you guys to check out, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!